Welcome to membership websites. So we're looking at the free trial period add-on that you can get for your website. Let me just show you where the settings are for that if you're going to activate that. If you go into the back end of your admin site, you go into finance, then membership plans. And we're just going to go into membership plan 1. You can see we've got 3 users. And when we click on edit and the page loads and we scroll down, we can see that we can enable the free trial period. So you've got this section if you have the add-on. So you can click on yes if you want to enable it. Number of 3-day trials, so it can be whatever number you want. Maybe you want to do it for 6 months, so it's going to be 180 days, or maybe you just want to do it for 7 days, or even 3 days. And then you can choose as well the validation options that you want to apply to that. And you have a couple of options here. No credit card required for this free trial, or just add this credit card on file without any authorization. So you can collect the credit card details straight away during the sign up process, or you can choose not to collect that information at this time while they're signing up. So that is the 7-day free trial. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.